HackSpace magazine coming soon.
So this wire wrap wire is super thin. It's 30 wire gauge, and you get 8 colors. Next up, these adorable little PIR sensors. It's a fully integrated PIR module in a tin. Next up, a whole bunch of SMA and RP-SMA through hole connectors. Got a couple different ones. You've got the right angle.
Yeah,
this is the straight, so up and down. And then we also have an RP-SMA one, right angle. So you have the NPM 3610 buck converter, 5-volt version, which has the resistor set. And it'll give you 5 volts out, nice and clean, and up to 1.2 amps. This Qwiic is designed to be used with a microbit. We'll also be writing some code to make it work with the Thru. It's a JST PH 2-pin to 2-pin cable. Same polarity on both sides. The LC709203. But this is a very nice little fuel gauge and battery monitor chip. New.